And I can't tell. Here, I know you wanna play with it. Be easy. Okay, you're gonna play with the red. Oh, Ranger's not happy about that. Be easy. Be easy with Ranger. Ranger. Do you can take that, Ranger? Oh, goodness. Be easy. Oh my gosh. It freaks me out because Willow is really bitey. Easy, Willow. Trying to get the toy underneath Ranger. Did you play with the toy? Are you playing with the toy? Ranger's like, I'm not gonna allow that. He's bowing up on you. He's bowing up. He's like, oh my goodness, easy, easy, easy. Willow. 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 My husband has reminded me, easy, Willow, that Ranger has yet to make any yelps. So we are watching, and Willow's been very, Willow, easy, Willow. He hasn't, and he's yelped when I've stepped on his little foot accidentally because he got underfoot. And so I know he'll yelp. And Willow, be easy, Willow. Willow, come on, Willow. Let him up. Oh my goodness. Oh. See? Oh. Oh goodness. Y'all, okay, I can't. We're gonna have to separate. Come on. Let's just, because I can't. I'm just like, it's just, it scares me, Willow. It scares me. I get so scared. Look at him. He's like, what happened? Why'd y'all take him away? Yeah, why did you take him away? My little wildity cat. Oh, hello. And he came right back. See? Be easy, Willow.